This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix left speaker not working on iPhone. So why your iPhone bottom left speaker not working? The bottom edge only has one speaker, not two, despite having two grills. The other side or the left side is a microphone, not a speaker. So don't worry. But you can adjust your volume. To do that, go to your settings, tap on accessibility, tap on audio visual and disable mono audio option and set the balance at 0.00. After doing these settings, you will get a perfect audio volume. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.